my toy box. Slime and Diamond.
Hi, Majalyk.
Hi.
You miss me?
Yeah.
So what are we doing today?
Playing this.
What is that?
A slime kit.
Oh, really? It looks tasty. Let me open it with my shiny belly.
What? Slime and Diamond. Diamond.
It doesn't taste too good. But maybe we can open it the old-fashioned way. Can I see?
I'm going to open it for you.
Wow, you're so good.
It's already open.
Wow, what do we have here?
This
We
are
have
mine.
yellow slime, pink slime, blue slime.
For you.
The blue slime's for me.
Put it here. You get 2.
And more pink slime. Well, this one's a lighter pink, and that's red slime. Can I have the red slime?
Yes, you have a red mouth.
Awesome. Don't tell anybody. My favorite color is red.
Wow, ice cream. We have ice cream.
We have an ice cream cone.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like anything.
We have to put ice cream in it.
Oh, we have to put the slime in.
This mine. Mine was right here.
Okay. And do we have any other kind of slime? We have orange slime.
Different.
What if it tastes like oranges? Oh, we have green slime.
I have a lot.
Wait. Not green slime. Lime slime. Yeah.
That's green slime.
That's green slime, all right. Is that all the slime, Majalyk?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all yours.
So what do we do now?
Yours.
What did you just feed me?
Some sprinklers.
It tastes like...
Ice cream.
It tastes like toppings. Toppings on slime.
Well,
So we put this on the slime that we play with. Is there anything else in the box?
open it for me.
Okay. Inside my shiny belly.
Well, so nice.
And so you're gonna play with the forest green slime first?
Yeah. And I have a lighter one. Wow, it's sticky.
Wow, that really does look sticky. I don't want to touch it because color is that, Maja?
Green.
Ah,
And we have green balls.
do you have green and rainbow balls?
Yeah.
Are you gonna sprinkle it on the slime?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open yours first. Blue Diamond, open yours first. Yeah, sprinkle some of my things. Orange. Blue Diamond.
I dropped it. Wow, that slime looks really fun to play with. What say you, Majalyk? Which one of these slimes is your favorite?
The green, the dark green.
The
And
dark green one?
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Is green.
Really? I thought it was blue. So what are you gonna do with the slime now?
I like seeing it.
You like stretching it?
Yeah.
Could you imagine if we had a ton of slime and then we could bounce on it like a trampoline?
We can't make a trampoline with this.
Why not?
Because we can't.
Would we sink in it?
I can't make farts.
You could make farts?
Yeah. And
What do the farts sound like? Do they sound like this?
It's not
Like,
yeah.
oh, do they stink?
Yeah.
Wow. Can you make one now?
Wait.
As a matter of fact, On the topic of farts, did you know that farting is actually a profession? That's right. You see, some people can control their farts to the point where they can even make different notes, like or boo. They're called flatulous, and they sing with their booties. Did you know that?
Oh, yes.
Can you sing with your booty, Majalyk?
Huh?
Can you sing with your booty? I don't think that came out of your booty.
Yes, it does.
Really? Let me see again. Whoa! That's so cool, Majalyk! I wish I could do that, but I can only do this. What world? See? My butt only talks. How you doing? Isn't that weird?
Yeah. Blue Diamond, I got a lot.
You got a lot. That one kind of looks like chocolate. Hey, wait a minute. Don't we have an ice cream cone?
Here.
Where is it? Where's the ice cream cone, Majalyk?
I have it. Right here.
Can I see it real quick?
Wait. I gotta put it.
Go.
You can't eat it. Blue Diamond.
Here we go. Put the slime in here.
Oh, okay.
It's so tough.
Blue
I
Diamond,
can't
let
get
me
through.
do it. Let me do it.
Okay, you can pull apart the ice cream sides. Pull them apart like this. Like an egg. Crack it open.
Now put apart. Blue Diamond.
You need my help?
Let's put it on the cone.
Do you need help?
Let's put it on the cone.
Oh,
The cone is cute.
the cone is cute. So what ice cream flavor is that?
Chocolate.
Is chocolate your favorite? What about strawberry? We can make strawberry ice cream.
How?
We can make bubblegum ice cream. We can make cherry ice cream. We can make...
Look.
Wow. That ice cream doesn't look a lot like ice cream. It looks more like fudge.
I took apart and then you stick it, you put it in here and wait for very long and open the wrap and take some of these.
Pistachio. Can you say pistachio, Majalyk?
Yeah, pistachio.
Good job.
Blue Diamond.
What about blue ice cream? Did you know that there's a flavor of ice cream in the world called Cookie Monster? It doesn't taste like it has cookies in it or anything like that, but the flavor is so blue, it not only makes your tongue blue, it makes your poo blue. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Really? Have you had Cookie Monster ice cream?
Yeah.
Did it taste good?
I do. I took some
Some from where?
right in the ice cream thing.
With the ice cream truck?
No, this.
Oh, so
No.
which one? So I said Cookie Monster ice cream is blue. So which one would be Cookie Monster ice cream?
This one.
Good job. Now pistachio ice cream is dark green.
And then if you did the strawberry.
Strawberry is a light pink. Can you find the strawberry ice cream?
This is not pink. This is not.
But is it light pink? Light pink. Which one is light pink?
Blue Diamond, I need some of these.
That one's the cherry flavored ice cream.
I'm gonna use some.
You want some cherry flavored ice cream?
I need some.
You do? There's even a flavor out there called rainbow sherbet. That's a flavor of ice cream that has all kinds of colors. What's your favorite flavor? Is it strawberry,
Chocolate.
lime,
Chocolate.
orange,
Chocolate.
chocolate? But it kind of looks like doo-doo. You like doo-doo ice cream?
That's not doo-doo.
It's not?
No, not.
What is it?
Is let me tell you.
Alright, tell me.
It's cow milk.
Cow?
Yeah. It is.
Cow milk?
Yeah.
There's a flavor of ice cream called cow milk?
Well, I could draw stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Nobody likes banana flavored ice cream. I want torso ice cream. Torso.
You had that fight?
Huh?
You had that fight?
A fart? Let me hear.
You heard it already.
Do it again.
It already did it one time.
Only one time?
Yeah.
But I like farts.
You heard it. You heard it?
Let me hear. So you're mixing the blue ice cream with the chocolate ice cream? What flavor is
You heard
that?
that fight?
Yeah, I heard the fart. It went. What flavor of ice cream are you making, Majalyk?
Everything.
Everything?
Open this. I've always eaten some things. Wow, it's turning brown. Blue Diamond, why is it out?
Because that's banana flavor.
Everybody like banana ice cream.
No! I don't like banana ice cream.
Yeah.
I only like regular bananas, green bananas, boiled or otherwise. I like banana fritters
I didn't even like
and
black. I
plantains.
didn't even like green bananas.
What? You don't like green banana?
I like green banana.
You like regular banana?
Let's eat green and yellow juice.
The light pink one? That would be strawberry. This one, that's strawberry. This one's bubblegum. Good.
Diamond and some of these. Do this and flat it to the cone. That will look like one. That will look like one.
The bubblegum ice cream fell. What ice cream are we gonna have now?
I got it.
Nice job. So how is? What ice cream are we using now?
This one.
Oh, the strawberry ice cream? Can you get the bubblegum flavor, Majalyk?
I could. You know the pop?
Yeah, you made it pop.
That means bubblegum.
What are you doing now? Are you stacking ice cream together?
I'm making real ice cream.
Oh.
I'm making an ice cream man. What's ice cream have?
Did you really want to play with the slime, Majalyk?
It smells like doo-doo.
Smells like doo-doo?
Yeah.
What? But that's supposed to be bubblegum ice cream. It's just supposed to smell amazing. Did you really want to play with these toys, Majalyk? Huh, Majalyk? Yeah. No.
You snip. Blue Diamond share.
No ice cream for you. It's grape. Grape ice cream. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. That's a pretty color. What color is that?
Dark. Like purple.
Oh.
And it's so cute.
Do you like purple? Yeah, let's hold up all the colors, Majalyk.
My color.
Oh no, I dropped the chocolate. The doo-doo flavored ice cream. Who threw that?
Blue Diamond.
We have chocolate.
Chocolate.
We have pistachio. We have bubblegum.
Forgot mine. I forgot mine.
We have cherry. We have banana. Boo! Boo! Nobody likes banana! Do you like banana, Majalyk?
Yeah.
Yeah!
I got all of them.
We have Cookie Monster ice cream.
Diamond ice cream.
That's right, Blue Diamond ice cream. Yeah! Yeah! That tastes delicious.
Blue Diamond. No, it's not.
Ah! I had it. the sourest ice cream around. Let's see what it's about.
Dang.
How about that? Look at this super green ice cream. I'm Rainbow. You having fun, Majalyk?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Majalyk, oh yeah, your name is
Thanks for watching.
Majalyk. Bum, bum, bum.
See you next time. Bye.